how to make a quick intro with KineMaster for your YouTube videos. So let's get started right away. Now, first of all, you should just search up like 2D intro template and on YouTube or something, and you can just download a template from there or just screen record it. Now, once you've done that, you want to click on this right here and create a new project. And now just add that intro template. So I'm just going to click on media and then add it. Now that I have added this template right here, I'm just going to go about right here and just click on layer, then text. I'm just going to add a text. I'm just going to put your name in there and then just change the color to black. And right here, as you can see, I'm just going to make it a little bit further, like right there, and just extend it till the end of the clip. And as you can see, this is now the intro. So just like that, your name is right there. Now, once you're fine with this, you can just click on the share button at the top right corner, then just export it to 1080p. That's fine, 30 FPS, and just click on export and just skip this. And now you are exporting your video. So that's about it. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.